The rift within the Aam Aadmi Party is now official. It's at the Bhushan Yadav camp versus Team Arvind. Will the factional war hurt Aam Aadmi Party's governance? Opposition continues to corner the newly formed government in Jammu and Kashmir over the Chief Minister's statement crediting Pakistan, but Mufti Mohammad Saeed evades tough questions. And breaking news coming in now on the Aam Aadmi Party. Sources telling Times Now Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav will be told on the 4th of March that as per the majority decision, they need to step down from the Political Affairs Committee. Now, Pooja Shali is joining us with more details on this. Pooja, we understand that the Arvind Kejriwal camp is actually confident that Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan will actually be voted out of the PAC.
Well, the National Executive meeting on 4th March will be including 21 members, which includes Yogendra Yadav, Prashant Bhushan, Kejriwal and many others. And most likely what the Aam Aadmi Party senior leadership close to Arvind Kejriwal is confident is that there have been several alleged anti-party activities that have taken place, including leaking of letters. And it is likely that majority of these members could ask them and vote them out of the Political Affairs Committee. That does not mean that it would be out of the party. They are definitely going to remain in the party. They might be given other responsibilities. But as of now, what I'm being told, it is very likely that the majority could vote them against. Now, even if this situation does not arise and could become ugly before that, perhaps Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan might want to themselves perhaps opt out of the situation so that it does not become more ugly, but they will definitely remain members of the party. Back to you.
Well, Pooja, stay on with us because, you know, the party leaders and spokespersons have within the last couple of days moved from the stance of saying that all is well within the party to admitting that there are factions and admitting that there are rifts and problems. Let's listen in to some of the party leaders.
I think that's a superficial view of looking at things. The much deeper analysis has to be done. The deeper analysis is there is a churning in the party. There is no denying the fact. It's not a clash between the personalities. It's a clash between ideas. One idea which is reflected in terms of the ultra-leftism. Another idea is which represents the new politics, which represents the clean politics, affordable politics, and which shows that establishment needs to be rejected because it is corrupt. Now the party will take a view on this, in which direction we have to move.
When is that decision that is going to be taken? What are we expecting in that decision? Will they be removed? Will there be some other disciplinary action expected?
See, I think the National Executive has seized of the matter. A National Executive on 4th will sit down and will discuss and decide.
How many members? All of them will be called?
There are 21 members. All the members will be called.
Including Yogendra Yadav?
Everybody will be invited.
Is the party upset? Is the party feeling disappointed about how these letters that are extremely explosive in nature that we also have?
In the fitness of things, the discussion should have happened within party, because that's what the party discipline is all about. That's what the internal democracy is. But if it comes out, it doesn't send a right signal. And in my opinion, this is my personal opinion, this has certainly affected the party's image.
जो लगातार एक तरह से पार्टी को टारगेट करने की, पार्टी को मजाक बनाने की, पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं की भावनाओं को बार बार ठेस पहुंचाने की, उनको हतोत्साहित करने की जो एक मुहिम लगातार चल रही है, इसको राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी ने गंभीरता से लिया है। अभी 17 लोगों की बैठक, जब राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी की एक दिन की बैठक हुई, इसके दूसरे दिन भी हुई थी। 17 लोगों के साथ एक उनके मिलके उन लोगों ने चर्चा की थी और उसमें भी कुछ निर्णय हुआ है, उसमें भी कुछ बातचीत हुई है। लेकिन अब 4 तारीख को इन सारे मुद्दों पर राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी की बैठक बुला के बातचीत की जाएगी और बातचीत करके इस विषय में चर्चा की जाएगी कि ऐसे पार्टी का काम कैसे चल पाएगा जब पार्टी के अंदर के, पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता लगातार एक मुहिम चला के अरविंद केजरीवाल को टारगेट करने का, उनको हटाने का, पार्टी की छवि को बार बार धूमिल करने का एक प्रयास कर रहे हैं। तो इस तरह से पार्टी का काम कैसे चलेगा, इस पर राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी 4 तारीख को मिलेगी और चर्चा करेगी और उसमें गंभीरता से चर्चा करने के बाद जो भी निर्णय होगा वो आपके सामने रखा जाएगा।
Actions coming in now from other political parties. In fact, the open war within the party has given opportunity for former Aam Aadmi Party leaders to take a dig at the party.
I find it hilarious when I see headlines like decision to be taken on Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan by rest of Aam Aadmi Party. And I wonder what would be left of Aam Aadmi Party if Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan were asked to go. After all, they are the party. They form the spirit and soul of the party. They are the ones who've been not just founders of the party, but they've set systems in place together. And I include myself also because I was there those days when others did not step in. We stood for something. So whether it's transparency, accountability, and third, clean politics. So I think they stand for that, and I think Aam Aadmi Party stands for that. I don't think Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan are indulging in anti-party activities. I think Arvind Kejriwal and his coterie, which is Manish Sisodia and others, they are the ones who are working against the party interests, against the cause, which was a raison d'etre of Aam Aadmi Party.
Shazna, what do you think is the reason why only these two leaders, Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan, are being pulled up by the party leaders?
Because they are the ones who ask questions. They are the ones who have some merit. They are the ones who have contributed. They are somebodies. And whereas others have been brought in only because they're yes men. You just see the profile. So just like you have a dummy cabinet now, besides Manish Sisodia, who's Arvind's old friend from Parivartan days and the first volunteer joined him. You see the other, there are so many other MLAs who could have been so much better as ministers, but the most pliant ones, with the least amount of talent, so to speak, have been chosen because they would be better yes men. They would be more pliant. So similarly, just like they have a dummy cabinet, centralized and controlled totally by Arvind and in a coterie, they want PSC to be a dummy PSC, which will endorse every decision of Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia and make it an absolute dictatorial kind of a party and a setup. These two people they come from a place. They have done things in their lives. They're not just there at the behest of someone else.
Pooja still with us for more developments on this. Now, Pooja, it is interesting that senior party leaders like Ashutosh, Sanjay Singh coming out openly and speaking with the media, speaking with you and talking about the fact that yes, there is a problem. In fact, Sanjay Singh going on to say that senior leaders within the party are tarnishing the image of Arvind Kejriwal, and certainly that will not be tolerated. So, as you said, you know, Yogendra Yadav and Mr. Bhushan certainly will be asked to step out from the PAC. But what is their future in the party then, if this is the kind of stand that other leaders are taking on them?
Well, today when the press conference took place of Sanjay Singh, many were speculating that they might want to show themselves as one big family, but that did not happen. Definitely Sanjay Singh went on record accepting that there are leaders in the party, senior at that, who are trying to overthrow and remove Arvind Kejriwal, who is apparently working very hard, and this will not be tolerated, this will not be accepted. And definitely that means that one, both of them might be asked to step down from the Political Affairs Committee. They will be in the party, but the question here is, if they're completely sidelined, would the senior leaders want to be in the party? Would they want to continue?
Yes.
And if they decide to leave, that is where the question emerges. What I'm being told, if they decide to quit from the Aam Aadmi Party,
exactly, Pooja. That is the question. What will Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav themselves want to do after these developments? Many thanks for your inputs.